Alright, welcome back, YouTube. You guys and me had a deal, just like the other two videos. You guys busted that thing up to about 4, maybe even 5 likes. I don't even know. So, now let's strap in and endure hell. Nope, might as well start off with a normal intro. Welcome back, YouTube. Hi, I'm Ironic. It's great to meet you. Or if you're coming back, welcome back. How was your day today? If it was good, I'm happy. If it was bad, don't worry, I'm here to make it better. Somewhat. If you're wondering what this channel is just a no editing channel. It's probably gonna be just like that. I'm gonna go for more genuine content. But I'm here to complete a game. And if you're just tuning in for this, like I said, the game before was called Dog Watching. There's a second version, but you know, that stuff. But yeah, the thing goes as this. You already know: quiet, be watchful, fast, slow, persistent, blind, but stay away. Now, I don't know how hard this is about to be. I just know that this is about to be one of those times where I regret even giving you guys the option to make me suffer. But let's see. Let's just see. And yes, I'm gonna conquer the night. Somebody's already awake? Bro, how are you? Bro, is that Chica? Are they fast? Yo, they're faster. Yo, they're faster. Yo, they're way faster. Yo, bro, where? Okay. I can't tell where they're coming from. I can't even look at the windows. Oh my god. Do you guys not breathe? Oh, they just don't breathe anymore. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yup, I'm dead. I'm dead. Ah. We missed the door. We messed the door up. We messed the door so badly. Yeah, I know the drill. I know the drill. Bonnie just hit me with an ultra instant punch straight to my chest. Caved in everything, bro. I don't even... Like, why is bro running like he just took a Mario Power Star? Like, what did they amp you people up on? Oh, Freddy on that good cushion alcohol tonight, bro. You already know he had Hennessy. Foxy, I just hope you're not like a drunk dad, bro. I swear to God. Just running into a random room. Get me up here! You're already walking! So the insult I said to you last game was a joke. It was all a joke. I didn't mean any of it. I believe you have a nice weight for your height. Somebody coming this way? Stop playing with me, bro. There has to be a slim chance of luck for this to even work. I have to be really lucky. No way I don't get lucky. Do I just run out there and face him? Do I run out there and face the music? I'm about to run out there and face the music. Yo, he's just infinitely running around. Bro, where is Foxy? Am I supposed to be able to tell where he's at? Genuinely. I hear him behind me somewhere, and I don't like that. Bro, my power is running low. Genuinely, where are they? Genuinely, where are they? For you to be playing these games with me and putting these sound cues everywhere else but where I need to hear them is crazy. I can't hear a thing. I got my headphones on the right side. Freddy bad, Freddy Tickle Bear, stop! I'm at 1 power, it's over. I'm at 1 power. I'm at 1 power. He laughing because he know he got me. I'm genuinely about to dash out of here. But there's one door up. One door up. Okay, guys. Well, 2 depths in a row. I hope this video only ends up at like 30 seconds. I mean 30 minutes, not 30 seconds. Please don't. Like, your boy's geeked, man. Cut me some slack, bro. Cut me some real slack. Let's make some noise. If only I can insult you right now. Only I wasn't absolutely getting wiped down like Samus's ship right now, bro. Her whole family and everything, bro. I don't even know. I'm not in a Metroid like that. I play Splatoon. Booyah, bro. On God, Tony. Booyah, booyah, booyah. Oh my God. Okay, they're blessing me. Does she go like both doors? I hear both footsteps. Oh, bro. How many times do I gotta do this? You put me through torture. I just gotta get out the office. I actually gotta get out the office. Those guys can like see me. I just gotta get it down. I just gotta get it down. Is she coming? I don't know where she's coming from. But he's coming a different way. Going away. Bro, what are you hitting me with? This is not Doom Eternal. I am not about to slay these demons. These demons have been slaying me. I'm begging you. All I can do is beg at this point, bro. All I can do is beg like I'm in please donate, bro. This is getting out of hand. This is getting real out of hand. Away from my I'll run. I'll bolt right now, bro. Oh my God. Who's at my door? Somebody saw me. Foxy. I don't know who's at my door! I don't know who's at my door. Bro, I'm not saving any power anymore. No, that's body. Yeah, that's body. Bro. No, bro. See, y'all just know. Y'all just be knowing. Bro, how am I beating this? On God, twin? How are you? Wherever you are, Foxy, just give me some distinct footsteps. Freckle Touch Bear. I don't want it. Freddy! I don't want it! Yep. Mama out. Mama go Evo. Mama go Evo. Mama go Evo! Bro, like... Please, Freddy Fazbear. I need this! Do I cut this part out? Like... Everybody, what you snacking on right now? Myconites? I'm messing with Myconites heavy. I gotta go. I guess they said, you lose. Just never let me try again. Alright, guys. So, this is apparently classic mode. Nightmare was apparently classic mode, man. I hate this mode with like every ounce of my being, bro. Every ounce of it is torturous, bro. Treacherous. And I'm not gonna lie, I just forgot. I don't even have anything to cut anything out with. I don't even got editing software like that, too. So y'all just can't. Raw. Okay, that was my head. I heard. Why are they all chilling in that back area? Okay, I don't need a lot. I just need to make sure I know exactly what I'm doing. Oh, whoa! Bro, shut the door! Move! Move! Whichever way Bonnie's coming from, I can't afford to let him in, bro. Okay, Bonnie. I don't know how much time I got left. Nope. 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 You almost had me, bro. Can't tell which way he's coming from. This way. It'll come down to wasting power. Bonnie? Go away. Foxy? Ready? Wait. Shut the door! Ooh! Freddy, no? Where's Freddy at? Is that Freddy? That's Freddy. Stop. I don't think you stop. Go away. Go away. I'm about to run out of power. I'm about to run out of power. Can I fight these people, man? They jumping me! They jumping me! They jumping me! Bro, they're jumping me. Oh my god. Please. God, be watchful. I'm gonna try to be watchful, but I can't, like, actually. You cannot fight these people. Like, you gotta get hella lucky. That's only if your power has enough. Like Freddy doesn't go away. Yup. Bro, worried about Bonnie has to be my biggest priority right now. Did you spin back? Did you pump fake me? Oh, so they want a UG pump fake now. They want a JJSR pump fake me. Alright, bro. Alright, man. Alright, bro. Chica, I guess you did run on the treadmill. I guess you did take leg day like I told you last video. By the way, go watch that last video. It's going to be way shorter than this one's going to be. I don't know how long this is going to be. This is going to hurt. I hope this hurts. But yeah, so far the game has not spared me any tears and nothing. They want me to suffer. And there's been nothing to suffer. He took the weight. What? No! 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 No, please! This isn't right! Are you away from my door yet, bro? I'm out here running like Sonic. Oh, okay. Yo. Oh, it's actually over. Oh, it's actually over. I can't tell that. There's the lab. He's about to. Not about to have anywhere else to go. Nowhere. 'Cause 0. Zilch. Is he stuck? Dang it! Bro, I was about to cheese the hell out of it. I was about to cheese it, bro. I know y'all would have done the same thing, too. Y'all would have done the same thing. Clearly, you don't cheese things. Any places I can go at in this restaurant where I just won't get absolutely sandwiched or die. I gotta rules: no running, no yelling, no yelping. Do not throw rocks at Foxy. Stay close to your parents. Don't touch the animatronics. Don't get up on the stage. Leave before dark. Don't hit others. Thank you, management. Y'all got me working here at the night shift? And y'all know I'm supposed to leave here before night? What? Aw, hell no. I'm better be getting paid a bando for this. Okay, bro. Okay. Let's see how we running. Let's see how we running this. Let's see how we running this. I don't see how we're running this. I actually don't see how we're running this. Get me back in. It's not there. Why did you do that? Oh! Bro, his footsteps are genuinely silent. Had no reason to make a rabbit this ungodly fast. I don't want to go out, bro. Ah, bro, stop it. He's coming this way. No. Oh, that way. Nope. Yup. She can leave yet? got too much going on right now. Man, we can't keep doing this. They're jumping me. All of them got a bite out of me. All of them almost got a bite out of me instead of Freddy. I'm not ready for Freddy. I was not ready for Freddy's as soon as I stepped up in here. Got me out here singing, seeing musical notes, my boy. I'm getting the stars knocked out of me. No Mario. You just saw me, bro. Oh, no! That was somebody. dead serious with you right now. This is like impossible. I've been doing this for a hot second. Jesus Christ. Might have to do one more match. And I got like an hour to do it. That game was tease me. I'm not even gonna be able to give my viewers what they came here for. I want to see hard mode beat, and I can't beat hard mode. I genuinely can't beat hard mode unless I go running out. Actually, you know, let's try it. I don't even think about it. Fast. All right, guys. Well, seems like running out of my time. Man, this is really hard. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what. Since I wasn't able to complete this, I'm only gonna really do. I'm not really gonna do a light goal on this. But if you want to see me finish it, just give me a small comment and I'll finish it. Um, I forgot to give you guys your extras menu, so let's go do that. Alright, guys, welcome to the custom menu. I don't think I really earned this, but, you know, since I finished the first night, yeah, we kind of got this. We got Freddy Bear. You know, makes sense. Just Freddy without the Faz in it. You know, bopping. Yeah, Bonnie. This dude sure be bopping down the hallways, bro. What the hell? Clucking? Christ, man. And we got Feisty Fox. This boy mad as hell. I called him. He wasn't easy like that, bro. But it's like, it's whatever. It is what it is. And we got Ben Robert. Well, all right, YouTube. After this, there shortly will be an well, no. After this video, will be like a double upload with, dog watching too. Since I promised you guys that yesterday, since I wasn't able to finish this off today, I want to move on to other content. That way, we're not here forever. Anyways, thanks for stopping by this video. If you liked it, well, you liked it. That's it. I'm not expecting anything out of you. I just hope you had a great time, and I'll see you around later.